This is pretty cool. You having fun yet? If I remember correctly, out on Earth they have this giant excavator, dude. I think I'm coming up on him. I think this is him right here. Nope. But there's some cool lights. Hope you guys are enjoying this. I know I am. Ooh, getting dark. Huh. There it is, look.
Well, it's incredibly delicious and very nutritious. Shot.
Lit.
Fruit punch vodka.
All right, let's hit it.
Wait, let's get this on video.
All right, take the shot and let's go. Oof, bad bitch.
You want this?
Yes, I do.
You usually chug them though.
Yeah.
That's dope.
Wahoo! All right, this one's called Dimensions. That right? Let's write that. I can handle that. Let's do this first. Demented Dimensions. Brand new house. Opened up this year. Hella hype. Let's do it. Goosebumps. Staying in the house. Just had my first shot. I'm feeling fucking good. Oh, look at this line. Just moving along. Let's do it, squad. Let's do it. Alright, I can't record inside, so I'm dropping it, guys. Love you. Bye. That last one smelled just like the swamp from the water bowl bayou. Did it not? Yeah. I mean, we could probably, if you want.
I can't see for shit.
Guys, that was the Dimensions there. That's pretty lit. While they're in the beer line, we can hit the Dimensions again.
Oh wait, don't. You single?
Huh?
Andreas.
No.
Fuck you. That is the worst insult ever in my life.
It's lit.
Yeah, bro. You got fatty. How about this?
Crash the zombies. Right there, Mom. Scare zone.
I know.
I don't think I can take my beer in there. Lobster? Hold this. Hold my beer. Hold my beer.
It's hell.
Hold my beer.
As you can see on YouTube, it is hell.
Of course they put
Come on, Butterclaw. Yeah, because no one deserves a Rick.
Exactly. You get fucking Morty.
Me Seeks is okay, and so is Mr. Poopy Butthole.
You gotta go. There you go.
I gotta stop
Oh wait,
rocking.
yeah, you gotta let it stop.
Don't rock the boat, baby. I didn't get him.
Nope.
Because this is a rigged game and bullshit, and fuck you. So you can't win the prize.
Kristen! Oh, get it, girl, get it! Get it!
No, get Mr. Poopy Butthole. Get Mr. Poopy Butthole. No. You should have got
Get
those.
it? Get it? No.
Wait.
I lost my mom, guys. I think she went out without us. There was an extra play. There's an extra play. He's hungry.
Dude, that girl spit on me.
Ruh-roh. Yo!
Dude, look how cool.
Oh shit.
This is some Mad Max shit. Why? Hang on.
Sprayed some air on me.
Yeah, it's an air cannon. Stick with me.
I am.
Oh. I'm just gonna scream something really obscene. Look at that thing. Look at that fucking thing. Oh! Well, I mean, that was obscene enough. Behind you. Behind you. Yeah, it's like Fallout Mad Max Apocalypse World.
Did you see that movie?
No, I know of it.
Dude, look how cool that guy is. He's got rats.
That's awesome.
Dude, right? This is like Fallout 4 shit.
Come. No, that's something else. That's Shikra.
We go on it?
You guys can go on Shikra.
Yeah.
Passerino for me. They can't take your drink on. So,
I'll finish it, but you
Sarah?
start walking.
do I want to go on Shikra?
Don't throw it away.
Do I want to go on Shikra?
What?
Corn. Another scare zone. Let's use this sign to figure out where we're at. You're right. Yeah, we can.
We can?
Yeah.
Where are we going?
Black spot.
Oh, we're going on Shikra, I guess.
All right. Meet up in this. Don't leave in this area. Don't leave this area. We're going on the black spot.
I'm not going to throw it away.
Yeah.